Hi there, it's Dave here for Little Acorns Forest Schools Ltd. So what we're going to go into now is the bit and brace, okay? The bit, drill bit, brace, this is the brace, okay? It's an old-fashioned way of drilling holes, okay? It doesn't require batteries, just requires a little bit of hands, okay? This is really good, I think, because it does several things. If I bring it over here, you'll see what it does, okay? As I'm using it, I put the hand on the top like so, and then I move this hand around, and this is what drills into the wood. As you can see from an educational part, this is pretty good because I'm crossing the center line like that. So I'm engaging both left and right brain. Okay, so this is a really, really good tool to use if you're trying to engage your children. The way that it cuts, okay, the more pressure I put on the top, okay, the more it drills into the wood, okay? And that's how they work. You're making medals with this, all right, to put children's names on. Cut your disc using the bow saw in the previous video. Okay, get one child with gloves on to hold the disc with two hands, with two gloves on to hold the disc. Okay, and then get another child to place the drill bit onto the top, the bit and brace on there, and then they can drill their hole through there so they can wear the medal itself. So again, before we use this, tool talk. So this is a bit and brace. This is the handle, this is the blade, and this bit is the cutting edge. There. I hold the bit and brace like this, and I walk with the bit and brace like this. I hand the bit and brace over like this. I use the bit and brace for drilling holes in wood. I use the bit and brace 2 arms and a tool length away from anybody else unless I'm working with a partner. Okay, when I'm not using the bit and brace, I place it down on the ground so that the handle faces forward and the drill points to the rear. And when I finish using it, I replace it back into the toolbox or designated tool area. Very useful, like I said. It's extremely efficient at what it does, and I find that a lot of children will get a lot of fun out of this by drilling holes into wood. Okay, once you drill the holes into the wood, you can put little pegs in, you can fill it with bird seed, bird food, etc. Okay, and it brings out a whole new range of things which you can do. All right. So we've come to the maintenance part of our lesson now, and we're going to be maintaining the bit and brace. Okay, what we're going to do to start off with then, have a look at the drill bit itself and remove any bits of sawdust from around the blade and the cutters. All right, place that to one side. There's no way which we can sharpen these drill bits. All right, so please make sure that when they do get blunt, you change them up for a new one. Okay, bit of wild wool on here. We're lucky, and I've let this bit and brace go a bit rusty now. Okay, so I've got a bit of work to do on here. So I can use that on there like that. It doesn't take long before it starts coming up. Okay, onto there like that. Pay particular attention to the parts which end up getting on the floor a little bit. And it's always a good idea with your tools to make sure that you maintain them as soon as you've finished. Because if you don't do that, what happens is they go back into the toolbox, and then you'll forget about them for a couple of days, and then the next time you come to use them, they're rusty. Okay, so we're gonna, there we go. And then now we're finished with that one. A little bit of WD-40 into the mouth. Okay, onto the actual bit itself, or the brace itself. There we go. And all I'm going to do with my fingers is just going to place a bit, get into all the corners, make sure it works properly. This is how we grip the bit, the drill bit, by using this mouth here. As you can see, that goes up to there. Once you're on like that, do it up nice and tight, undo it half a turn, and then place it away in your toolbox. Thanks for watching.